Hello. Okay, so like I said in the previous video, I said I was going to explain something because I always like to go into details and explain things to people so people can understand and have a thorough understanding of, whatever little field of herbal medicine that I am sharing with you. So I said in the previous video that you may have noticed that my turmeric tea is very red. Look at it. Redder than usual, and I'm going to tell you why. You see, everybody uses turmeric, or most people use turmeric because of curcumin, right? Because curcumin has very medicinal effects, right? But as a plant chemist, it is not only curcumin in turmeric that is also beneficial to the health. Now, in turmeric, yes, there's curcumin, which is curcumin and curcuminoids, which are very good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, all manners of medicinal properties. Yeah, but if you break down curcumin, you will form some degradation products depending on how you break it down or how you degrade it. Okay, so in the case of my turmeric tea, I boiled it in an alkaline solution because it is not the curcumin that I am interested in, rather some of the degradation products which I'm going to put up. Okay, so those are what I am actually interested in. Yeah, so putting turmeric in an alkaline solution will turn it reddish. The more alkaline the solution is, the redder it becomes. And when it breaks down curcumin, it's going to break it down into 4 major compounds: vanillin, ferulic acid, feruloyl methane, dicyclopentadiene. 4. But the dicyclopentadiene is the major metabolite. The others are less. Now, if you degrade curcumin, you can have other medicinal properties. And the reason why I drank my turmeric that way this morning is because I woke up not feeling very agile. But when I make my turmeric tea that way, I get a sort of invigorating effect. Okay, and it is due to these degradation products. They all have their different medicinal properties. Okay, particularly the feruloyl methane, which is another reason why I sometimes make the tea this way, is it has an effect on the way your body metabolizes glucose. And it also has an effect on leptin, which is a hormone that regulates appetite. What it does is it actually has a strong effect on your appetite. Also, when you exercise, if you make your turmeric tea this way, your recovery time is faster. So that's what I meant by that agile. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it does for me. So I don't make my turmeric tea most times because I want to use the curcumin in the turmeric. I make it because of these other degradation products. So do you understand? So as a chemist, when you study the way molecules, the property of molecules, let me put it that way, study the property of molecules, you can learn a lot and you can apply what you learn to a lot of things. So now if I wanted to make, for instance, turmeric tea and preserve the curcumin, I will boil it at a slightly acidic pH. But if I want to make a tea for to make me feel very energetic, and all the perks that I get, I boil it in a slightly alkaline solution, and that's what I did with this tea. That's why it is this color. But if I boiled it in an acidic solution, it would have been yellow. So that's the thing about curcumin, it degrades rapidly in alkaline solutions. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to use herbs, you have to know how to use them, and you have to understand a lot of things about plant chemicals to be able to utilize it in an effective and a therapeutically effective way. Let me put it that way. So that's the explanation as to why my tea is that color and as to why I make my tea that way, because of all the benefits. Now, in the caption of this video, I'm going to list the 4 major degradation products of curcumin from alkaline degradation or alkaline hydrolysis, as we say as chemists. Hydrolysis simply means breaking down substances that are in a medium that contains water. Degradation products from the alkaline hydrolysis of curcumin. I will put them in the caption of this video and all their medicinal uses so that you can familiarize yourself with them. And some of them have medicinal uses that curcumin does not have, or are stronger than curcumin in some of their medicinal properties.